Google purchases Fitbit. This was posted by LexusGamer05 on the forum. After a year of EU regulators scrutinizing the deal, Google has completed its acquisition of Fitbit for $2.1 billion. Google hardware chief says the acquisition is about devices, not data. Interestingly, the U.S. Department of Justice has not approved the deal, but I don't think the U.S. government is doing a whole lot of much of anything right now while they wait for the transition. So, yeah, Google says the waiting period for their investigation expired. That's pretty funny. The DOJ, though, says that Google is still under investigation for antitrust regarding the deal, so we'll see if they can kind of resolve that between the two of them.
This is why I was saying in the intro, like, yeah, they bought Fitbit, sort of. Is like, yes, they did, but we'll see what ends up being reality.
The approval from the EU did come with some conditions, including that Google cannot use Fitbit data such as health, wellness, or GPS for targeting ads. It's like, hey, Google, yes, you can have it, but only if you don't use it. Users must also be able to opt out of sharing Fitbit data with other Google apps and services. So this sounds, I don't know. What do you think? Is Android Wear going to stop being terrible?
Honestly, I don't really think so. Is Fitbit's experience better than Apple Watch?
I will be honest with you. I have never been inclined in any way to use a Fitbit. So there you go. Maybe I should give it a crack. Maybe I should give it a shot.